Hello, I'm Alex Shi, and I'm here to talk about the medical and cultural benefits for garlic. So, the scientific name and the common name. The common name would be garlic, and the scientific name would be Allium sativum. The family name is also the Amaryllidaceae, and in the bottom right, you see a part of the family Amaryllidaceae. So, what hormones does this plant use? Unfortunately, I cannot find a website that does have what hormones this garlic uses, but I did find that garlic is very good for hormone balancing. It has a lot of antioxidants, and it basically helps you detox your hormones. So, how does the garlic reproduce? So first off, we have three ways of reproduction: cloves, bulbs, and seeds. So cloves is actually a piece of garlic, and the bulbs are basically the garlic and basically the garlic here. Seeds are basically the bottom right here, and the most popular way of them reproducing will actually be cloves. So what climate favors this plant, and what kind of climate is the best for it? The best climate will be a cold climate where you can find a lot of sun because they need sun. They need the cold climate for fertilization. Fertilization basically means that in germination, it speeds up the process for it to flower. And what is germination? It's the process of a bulb and turning it and transforming it after a period of dormancy. It can also survive in warm climates, but it has a less effective product. It basically, the bulb would actually be much smaller if you put in the warm climate. Why do people seek this plant? What are its benefits? So, moving on from the whole food add-ons, it actually has many medical benefits, such as treating hypertension, which is the fancy word of high blood pressure, coronary heart disease, and hardening arteries. And where can garlic be found? Well, it is mostly found in Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. And how did early civilizations use this plant? I am so sorry, I forgot something from the last slide. It's the main producer of this plant is actually China, where they commercially grown it and is the leading producer of it. And fun fact, in America, we find most of our garlic is produced in California, where it's actually 80 to 90% of it. So, how did early civilizations use this plant? So in Egypt, where it is actually the earliest civilization to ever use this plant, it's over 5,000 years now, actually. Years from Egypt using garlic. And in Greece, where they basically use garlic in the Olympics, where they use it as a sort of a performance enhancing drug, let's say it like that. And also, Hippocrates was actually, well, let's say, the father of medicine, persuaded the people of Greece to use this plant for fatigue, parasites, and also artery hardenings. So, acquisitions. How do you get this plant? It's easy to find this plant. It is very easy to find this plant. So, let me expand on the China being the leading producer. They produce garlic. They had already produced over 20 million tons of garlic, compared to apples, where they actually produced over 36 million tons of apples. Let's just say garlic is not a very hard the plant to find. I even have this little website or a link you can go to if you want to buy some garlic for yourself. So, is there a commercial medication that has this plant as its base? I cannot find any commercial medicine that uses garlic as its base, but I know that it works on its own, because when used on its own, it can help treat artery hardenings, hypertension, and yeah, all that. Is this plant contraindicated at all? Well, first off, it's very specific, because garlic has a weird property that it can make the eater bleed more, basically, or has a more effect, making them more susceptible to bleeding. So if you have just gone back from surgery, try not to eat garlic, because it might open up your wound, and yeah, you don't do that. All right, and here's my works cited right here. Alrighty, I'm Alex Shi. Hope you have a good day.